हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today topic is nature and importance of industry. Industry of India and world produce a good and services for the peoples. Industries are for economic and business purposes. The industry is a manufacturing unit or commercial unit. Standard industry classified in standard used for classifying the industry. Hence, the classification is the same for all the industry. Small scale, large scale industries, namely, are the division of industries. Small scale industry are in which the manufacturing cost and investment don't exceed over the 5 crore. Hence, the investment should be over 25 lakh. Minimum scale industries are in which the cost can be more than 5 crore, not less. Hence, the turnover can up the 10 crores. Similarly, at least the cost should be 10 crores to be large scale industries. Hence, the turnover can be anything above the 20 crores. Industries in India can be classified based on manufacturing done by the industries. Some of these industries are as follows. Food industries. Food processing is itself a very large industry as it covers processed food. All the ready and processing of food items range under the industry. Therefore, a small scale food processing industry can be homemade items. Hence, the large scale industry in India is Patanjali and Kisan. Tourism. Tourism is the is in India is flourished as there are many rich cultures and heritage sites in India. The industry is flourished under the service sector in India. Some of the industry of India in tourism are makeup India Railway, Catering and Tourism Corporation therefore are the large-scale tourism industry in India. Textile industry has flourished in India since ancient time. It is the oldest industry in India. The Indian textile industry is extremely with hand spun and hand woven textile sector at one end of a spectrum, while the capital-intensive, sophisticated mill sectors at other end of the spectrum. Therefore, Raymond Raymond is the large-scale textile industry in India. Pharmaceutical industry are related to the medical drugs and their production and use. Since India resourceful in scientists and engineers. The industry source of important place in global pharmaceutical sector. Therefore, Lupin and Sun Pharma are the large-scale industry of pharmaceutical in India. Education and training. Education and training is the overgrowing industry in India. The country has more than 1.5 million schools within over to 6 million students and about 351 universities and 35,539 colleges. India has one of the largest higher education system in India in the world. Therefore, NI NIIT and Cisco being the large-scale industry for education and training in India. Still, Steel is the most important industry in India. Was India? India was the third largest steel producer in 2017. 19.46 million tons of total finished steel was produced. Therefore, Tata, Mesco are the large-scale industry in India.